Okay, I'm going to show you how to get to the video that I ironically recorded at some other time that we would have had a snow day in the past, which is crazy because it happens to be the same lecture. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to our course, and the reason I'm making this video is because it's a little bit tricky to show you. So it's not published yet, but I'm going to have it published, and I'm going to change the date. So apparently this would have been on 2/1 at some point, which is just crazy. So you're going to click on the lecture and see up here, like where it says 2/1 lecture in gray, and then there's this little symbol beside it. You have to click on that symbol, and then it will ask you, it's not asking me because I'm the person, it's going to ask you for a passcode. So if I go back to the module, oh, it just had it right there, darn it. Okay, so see how it's asking for a passcode right there? The passcode is in the module as well. So if I go back to the module, see how right underneath that lecture, how it says passcode and it has this weird thing. So that weird passcode is what you have to put in for that. And then it's going to pull up that Zoom. At least it should. So I just wanted to let you guys know that that is the lecture that you're going to need to watch for tomorrow, or let's see, that would be January 28th. And it's 18 minutes, which is obviously not the time of our class, but it's all that I want you to watch, at least for chapter 3. So I'm going to end up pushing back chapter 3 homework and stuff again, like I did with chapter 2, because the last part of chapter 3, the projectile motion, I really want to go over in person. So watch the 18 minutes. You better have watched the chapter 2 stuff, because I'm not going to go back over that. This is, it's important that you watch those videos and get those notes filled out. All right, so please reach out if you can't access the video, the Zoom video in any way. Okay, thank you.